Stay behind with another video. It's gonna get dark, of course, but I am finished the custom Jeff Hardy. I'm finished. I decided to not do the hair all purple. I decided to do that. So glow in the dark, and you see his body's glow in the dark. You're about to see that in about a minute. I'm trying to stand Jeff Hardy in your area right here. I want my full biscuits right. Okay. Let's see Hardy glow in the dark. This, I can't say, but you know, if I had Jeff Hardy's routine game, I would play it right now, because this is awesome. First custom now. You see I did a little bit on the second armbands, a little bit, make the effect more better. I try to get red, so I painted by the red like he does. The highlight side, Hardy. It's all Hardy, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. Get my head out the way. Well, there it is, my finished custom Jeff Hardy. Extreme Enigma, Jeffro. You know what to do. Comment, do whatever. This is finished. I'm not gonna do any more changes to this. This is finished. This is awesome. Finished. You will see this custom at Vengeance. Unless you want to see it earlier, put in the comments out. Face paint ain't all. It's Jeff Hardy. Please don't make him fall. So move a little bit. He falls. It fell. I hate when he does that. I hate when freaking fall. Snap. But yeah, that's it. In charge. Love it. Love it. Want it. Go. Cool fact, ain't it? But that's it for me. Custom Hardy. Comment, subscribe on this video. It's Awesome Hardy, I'm telling you, man. First custom, might do my second custom later. Maybe Cena, somebody like that. When somebody's super serious. Comment, subscribe, Jeff Hardy. Final. Cool. Hair and all. Hardy. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm a Hardy friend forever. I'm changing my name maybe. Oh wait, I'm sharing it with somebody so I can